Standing out front of the old 800,000 square feet Chrysler facility here in Tipton. As you can see, signage has been completely taken down, and it's just been absolutely fascinating to watch this story unfold. Last year, after the new union contract, Chrysler decided they no longer needed to manufacture transmissions out of here and moved it to their existing transmission plant in Kokomo. The rumor was Bex was going to be coming in here and filling in these 800,000 square feet, but it is actually going to be a solar cell manufacturing company. So they are spending $500 million on this infrastructure spend, 300 and some odd million for new equipment, 175 million for facility improvements, and it will ultimately create 700 full-time jobs. When this building was really moving, Chrysler had 850 full-time staff working out of this facility. So net, we're losing about 150 jobs, but overall, it's really good to hear that a new business is going in here. Bex missed out on this opportunity, but I couldn't even imagine trying to manage an 800,000 square foot facility. That seems like a city in itself. Really grateful to see Tipton was able to get somebody in here though.